Jai Siaram. Welcome to Spoken English with Hitesh Shukla, and we are doing listening practice of English. Today we will discuss about Walt Disney. The chapter comes in the 12th standard English book, Commerce, second chapter, Walt Disney. Roy Disney is writing about Walt Disney. Walt was a very complex man because he was different to different people. For some people, he was a fun-loving person, simple man, funny person. For some people, he was a wild man because he was always ready to take risk, very high risk. So some people call him wild from inside. For some people, he was a genius man. Why? Because whatever the story you have, and when you go to him, he will add something extraordinary in it. And this kind of genius ability he had. And that's why he was a genius. He could add something extra into anything you tell him. These men loved train too much. When he was 21 years old, he started one cartoon company in Kansas City. He studied cartooning in Chicago. But his first adventure flopped. Then he tried the second one. It also flopped. Then he tried his luck in Hollywood. He borrowed 500 rupees from his uncle and he started a new series. There was a cheating with him, and the copyright was taken from distributor, by distributor. And he was again with no work. Next time, he decided that I will make my own way, my cartoon, my film. And that was the Mickey Mouse. And then it created a history. And we know that, how much it was famous. Then after, he made Disneyland. Now one thing that we can learn from Walt Disney, that was, according to his brother Roy Disney, that he had a very impractical dreams. He thought too much. And then after, he had an ability to make those impractical dreams reality. In our language, we can say that he had impossible tasks and then he made those impossible tasks possible. Everyone was surprised with this thing. This was the self-confidence of Walt Disney. I would like to mention one sentence which is given in this lesson, and it inspires us too much. When he was very much successful, he earned many more money, too much money he earned, still he was very simple. Success never changed him, according to Roy Disney. What happens with us? Failure and success both have a lot of effect on us. If we fail, we depress. If we succeed, we cannot control our happiness. We are overconfident, or sometimes we become egoist. I am something. This did not happen with Walt Disney. He was very simple. When he was failure, he was passing through a bad time. He was simple and enjoying himself, enjoying his work, and he was very much successful. Still, he was simple and he was enjoying his work. When someone asked him that, what do you do with this all money? He pointed out at Disneyland and said that I fertilize this farm with this money. It means that he always invested whatever he had. What we can learn from Walt Disney, that is, learn to invest. If we have no money, no matters, but if we have time, then we can invest it. We must not waste it. The art of investing is very much useful and wonderful to get success in life. On the other side, we can say that art of investing is the key to live successfully. If we can live successfully in present, we will get the kind of success we want in future. Think about this. This was a listening practice. Keep listening. You will speak one day. Jai Siya Ram.